Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we'll be working my folding layout again. This time we'll be working on adding all the railway based buildings. So the beginning things we'll be adding basically the entire station. So we've got the platform to build here and the station building put right there. And in the corner we'll be adding the goods platform and also the actual goods shed as well. It's only going to be a little thing like what I've got on Minstow Road, so just little sheds just to put there. And in this corner we'll be adding a little bit, well, just a very small 2-road engine shed really. It's not going to be a deep one because I haven't really got the space for it, but just something to put in the corner there. And while I'm at it, I'm also going to finish off doing the grass because I do need to do that. I would have done that off camera, but I need to add some grass here, so I figured I might as well do them together and save myself some time. So yeah, so I have got everything all drawn out. This one is for the platforms, so I've got that all ready to cut out. And I have got the card all drawn out. This is actually back to front because it's the inside of the buildings. So let's see what have I got here. This is the station itself. So everything is raised up about scale of 6 feet because we got the platform to take into account as well. So that's all moved up. So the main entrance is here on the side. We'll have a little ramp going up. I have got some spare card to make the ramp. Then got the little doors out onto the platform where people will get in and out, and a couple of windows on the side. And let's see, this is the goods shed, just a little goods shed. Let's put on the side over here. This is the platform sides. Again, got enough cardboard to make some spare if I need to. And this big structure down here, that is the engine shed. So yeah, just a little one there. And I've got plenty of bits left over from previous builds, so I don't really need to print too much out. But I do need to print out some more brick paper because I've already glued that on. I think I have got some spare brick paper. Yes, I've got some spare brick paper here and there. The only other main thing which I did need to print out was some more roof towers because I always use quite a few of them. So yeah, that's all ready to do. And yeah, there's not really much to explain really because I'm just building a few buildings, sticking them all together, adding a bit of detail, and then sorting out the rest of the grass. So yeah, I did make sure I picked up the correct grass for what I've got, which is the Pico 2mm spring grass. So yeah, that'll keep me busy. But considering that things need to dry, it may be a day or two, probably about a day or two, something like that. I may also try and patch up some of these bits where the glue wasn't quite proper for when doing the road, because that's been annoying me. Anyway, let me get all this bit put together first, so I'm going to put them up on my table, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are, pretty much the initial buildings of the station all finished. Obviously I will be adding some more bits of detail here and there, but yeah, it's turned out rather well. I do need to finish off a little few things, like adding a little cover just for this gap here. I think I did do the back. Well, I may need to put a little cover at the back as well, just so that light doesn't get in where it's not meant to. I did have to put some covers over the platform just to patch up some holes, because it's always a bit awkward to get it all the right size. But it has turned out alright. It doesn't look too bad actually. There we go, some grass on there. But yeah, station building itself looks nice. There will be a little fence in between the ramp and the actual platform, so people can't hop on without buying their tickets. Yeah, looking rather nice. And we've got the little goods shed over here, where I do need to glue down the platform a little bit better. That should be alright. And yeah, I've tucked up this down here just to keep it out of the way. I may actually add something just to help keep it tucked in there. Maybe just something, just a little hook which I can turn. Not too sure. Yeah, that's turned out rather nice. I'm quite happy with that. And yeah, I've also done the rest of the grass. Still got a few patches which may need to be a bit improved, but yeah, it's turned out quite nicely. I'm quite happy with it. Any small bits I may just cover up with foliage or some trees or something like that, just to hide any gaps. This patch over here, I don't actually mind it being thin, because it could just be that somebody's garden isn't well looked after, so I may try and keep that in somehow. Yeah, quite happy. Yeah, I still need to paint them out some. But yeah, very happy with it. And that's going to be it for this video, really, because next video I'll be actually adding the rest of the village. So that'll be the church there, the houses there, and a little shop there. And yeah, that should look quite nice. Still haven't run anything on the layout yet. I think I think I may have tested it. Can't remember. But yeah, quite happy with how it's turned out. Still, I think somebody did suggest me a name for this, but for the layout, but I can't actually remember it. I remember reading it. I remember that it existed, but I don't actually remember what it was. So yeah, do remind me, and I'll try to remember to add it to the layout. If not, I'll just make something up, because I do want to add little bits and pieces here and there. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. So if you do like it, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And yeah, I'm going to see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye. Give you a nice shot. I'm going to try and get a nice shot of it. There we go. Take care now.